Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Yeah, the button down there, subscribe, please, please, please. It truly helps my channel and I truly appreciate you guys. Okay, so let's get into this braid pattern. I did the illusion braids because I cannot cornrow. So I did the front with the illusion braids up front. Now look, I can't cornrow y'all, okay? So don't come for me with the back of my hair because y'all, it is not beautiful, but this hairstyle came out great. I did flat twists in the back, and yes, I could have made that one two flat twists, but I didn't. I did the best I could do, okay? But okay, so what I use to do my braid pattern is Shine and Jam. Yes, ma'am. Shine and Jam is my go-to for whenever I do braids or braid pattern. Now, make sure you moisturize your hair. I use the Melanin Hair Care, which is my favorite moisturizer. Every time I take any type of braid style out, and I use that, my hair is always moisturized afterwards. Now, baby girl, let's get into this hair. Yes, ma'am. This is the Distress 8-pack butterfly locks from Toyo Tress. I'm saying 6 here, but it's really 8. And there are 10 to each pack, 12 inches, and I absolutely love it. There will be links down below. There is also a discount code for 21% off of these. Toyotress really came through and gave me a discount code for you guys to use. It is good until January 21st. So check that out and get you a discount on these. So yes, I'm showing you there are 10 to a pack. There are 8 packs there. So we got this. Let's do this. Let's get into these butterfly locks. I've already done the first one, so let's lock it in and get it done. We ready? All right. Enjoy this music, and I will chat with you guys in the end. All right, y'all. Bye.
am all done. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm trying not to wake my husband up. Yeah, I'm all done. I had about half of a pack left. I actually used just about everything except for these, and there were like 2 or 3 that I just couldn't get the hole to work. But yeah, these are butterfly locks. I never thought. Another style that I never thought I would ever use. But yeah, they're cute. They're not too heavy, even though I have a braid pattern. It's not too heavy, and I make sure to space it out in between, and I'm pretty much probably gonna wear it like back like this, you know, for the time that I keep it in. And I totally just ripped my earring out. But so I was wrong. In the beginning I said there were 6 packs. There were actually 8 packs, and my earrings are just like, what, we're done, so I'm just gonna take them out. There were 8 packs of hair, and there were 10 inside of each of them. So I will do a count and put the count of how many locks that are actually in my head. The one thing that I hate about a braid pattern is that big braid in the back. I hate having to try to fill that up, so I did just leave it as is. And what came, sorry, in the pack was the card, the Toyo Tress card. And it also came with a crochet needle. It didn't come with jewels this time, which is odd, but that's fine. I never use them anyway. But this is the butterfly locks in 12-inch. Just want to make sure I get that out. Butterfly locks in 12-inch, 8 packs, 10 in each pack. So I got 80 total, and there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that I didn't use. So I pretty much used 7 point something of packs worth of hair. Yeah, not even really. I used like 3 out of 1 extra pack. So yeah, I like it. It's not too hot, or it's just different from what I'm used to, and I just have to kind of figure out how I'm gonna style it. But yeah, I'm liking it, and we shall see how it progresses through the week. So I'm just gonna take a couple of pictures, and that's it. This is self-explanatory. I don't really have to go into any detail. If you, yeah, so yeah, all right, so I'm gonna do a couple of pictures and all of that for my intro, and I will see you guys in the next one. I probably won't do another hair video until next month, which will be a different style. I think I'm gonna try some Marley twists. How y'all feel about that? But if you want to catch up and keep up with me, check me out on my planner videos. I try to update those weekly. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. It truly helps out my channel. And I will see you guys later.